Look at you. You are exhausted. You tell everyone you are stressed. You tell yourself you are anxious. You wear this anxiety like a heavy coat in winter, complaining about the weight, yet terrified to take it off. I am here to tell you something that might hurt, but I say it with love. You are not suffering from anxiety. You are addicted to it. It sounds funny, doesn't it? Who would choose pain? Who would choose the racing heart, the sleepless nights? But watch closely. When the silence comes, when the phone is off and the room is quiet, what do? You panic. The silence is too loud. You reach for the phone. You look for the noise. You invite the chaos back in. Why? Because the chaos is familiar. The anxiety makes you feel important. It makes you feel like you are doing something. To the modern mind, peace feels like death. You are like a prisoner who has fallen in love with his cage because he forgot what the sky looks like. Marcus Aurelius didn't have a smartphone, but he had the same addiction. He called it the puppet strings. He knew that the mind loves to be pulled. It loves the drama. But he wrote a specific command for this. Stop being puppeteered by your impulses. He didn't say try to relax, he said stop. This isn't poetry, this is biology. Your brain has been rewired to crave the cortisol spike. You are not worried. You are going through withdrawal. So, if you are ready to grow up, if you are ready to leave the playground of emotions, here is the cure. It is bitter medicine. Step 1. The grey rock observation. When the anxiety comes, do not fight it. Do not argue with it. Become a grey rock, boring, unresponsive. Watch the feeling like you are watching a cloud pass. Oh, there is the panic again. Do not invite it for tea. Step 2. Starve the beast. Your anxiety feeds on action. It wants you to pace, to scroll, to call someone. Deny it. Sit in the chair, hands on your knees. Do nothing. Let the fire burn itself out because you refuse to throw more wood on it. Step 3. The reality check. Ask yourself the Stoic question. Is this happening to me, or is this just happening? The event is neutral. The panic is your invention. Peace is not something you find. It is something you create by destroying the addiction to noise. I have shown you the door. The cage is unlocked. You can walk out right now. But the question is, are you brave enough to be quiet? Welcome to the Forge. Subscribe, share, and hit the notification for the next episode. Thanks for being here with the Stoic Quotient, where ancient strength meets modern life.